Good day, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Agu. I'm a participant of Green Mavro Global Community, one of the students undergoing Guidance School Batch 8, Group 9. I'm here to tell you more about Green Mavro Global Community, and I've divided it into 5 contents. Number 1, what is GMG? Number 2, how does GMG work? Number 3, ideologies of GMG. Number 4, rules of GMG. Number 5, benefits of GMG. I'm going to take it one after the other now. What is Green Mavro Global Community? Green Mavro Global Community is a community of helpers created by a group of former MMM participants and guiders. Our aim is to actualize the dreams of Sagi Mavrodi, and our community is built on the blueprint of its tenets. We have taken time to analyze the shortcomings of MMM, and we've put in place measures to curb most of its flaws. Green Mavro Global Community is not a bank. Green Mavro does not collect your money. Green Mavro is not an online business, HIP, investments, or MLM program. Green Mavro is a community where people help each other. Green Mavro gives a technical platform which helps millions of its members worldwide to connect those who need help with those who are willing to provide help for free. All funds you transfer to another member represent help you provide of your own good willing. Number 2, how does Green Mavro Global Community work? Green Mavro is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of graciousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In Green Mavro, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In Green Mavro, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that Green Mavro demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. In Green Mavro, there is no central account where all the money in the system flows to, and where it can be easily stolen from. All the money is in the bank accounts belonging to the members only. The members transfer funds to each other directly without intermediaries. In fact, Green Mavro only regulates the process and nothing else. So the entire system belongs to people. No kidding, it is a real mutual aid fund where ordinary people help each other. Number 3, ideology of Green Mavro Global Community. Green Mavro Global Community was created in accordance with the principles and ideology of Sagi Mavrodi. Hence, the ideology of Green Mavro Global Community remains the same with that of MMM. The article below was called from mmglobal.org. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people, it is for those who produce this money. For bankers and financiers, government and millionaires. And people are mere pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. Why do bankers work less and earn 100 times more? What lies behind the social welfare? Labor. But why do bankers live 100 times better than common people who really work hard? Do the bankers work hard? No, definitely they don't. In addition, they do not even produce any material values as opposed to the workers. Why then the difference in income is so enormous? Many wonder with all sincerity now, reading this. Well, a banker and a worker, they cannot be compared. The banker, the head of the bank, he has power over money and is well connected, and we are ordinary people having no power or clout. Naturally, the banker lives better than we do. Number 4. Rules of Green Mavro Global Community. Number 1 rules of Green Mavro Global Community here. Multiple accounts is highly prohibited in GMG. Number 2, do not upload fake proof of payment. Is banned, not acceptable at all in Green Mavro Global Community. Number 3, do not confirm any payment not received yet, no matter any pressure by the payer. Number 4, do not share your login details to anyone, not even your father or your family member. Do not share it to anyone, as GMG will not bear anything that might happen to you. Number 5, do not force people to register in GMG just because of bonus. No, make sure you tell them all what it's all about. Tell them all they need to know about GMG. Teach them, make sure that they learn the ideologies of GMG before they can be able to make up their mind to join GMG. Number 6, there are no guarantees and promises, neither explicit nor implicit. There are neither investments nor business. Participants help each other, sending each other money directly and without intermediaries. That's all. There's nothing more. There are no security transactions, no relationship with the professional participants of the securities market. You do not require any securities. Do you need them? No, there are no rules. In principle, the only rule is no rules at all. Even if you follow all the rule instructions, you still may lose. Win might not be paid without any reasons or explanations, and in general, you can lose all your money. Also, always remember about this and participate only with your spare money. Only with spare money. Now, some people say there is no spare money. Really, there is spare money. There is spare money, man. The money you use to buy yourself something, and something that is not that relevant, you just use it to buy it. You use it to buy yourself beer. You use it to drink beer in the beer parlor. I mean, money that is not meant for a meaningful thing. That's your spare. The money you put in your pocket is your spare money. That's what you are asked to participate with. Please don't go and take loans or get money or borrow money from people in order to participate in GMG. It's not acceptable here. Please take note. Use only your spare money, and God will bless you. Do not participate at all if you cannot keep to these rules. If you don't have spare money, please do not participate. Then number 7, citizens of Russia, Kazakhstan, and Belarus are not allowed to participate in Green Mavro. Now, benefits of Green Mavro Global Community. That's the fifth point. Number 1, registration bonus. When registering in the system, you get from $20 to $100 as a percentage. 20% if you contributed from $50 to $499. $50 if you contributed from $500 to $2,999. You get $100 if you contributed from $3,000 and above, and is awarded after withdrawal of your first contribution and withdrawable 60 days after your first contribution. If your account is blocked within this period, you will lose your bonuses. Number 2, referral bonus. The number 2 benefit. Participants are credited with a referral bonus of 10% from the amount of the contribution made by each new member referred or you invited to the system. Bonuses are credited in Mavro 30%, which may be taken out as soon as the referrer has provided help or got his Mavro confirmed. You can invite a participant through a referral link or GreeMavro invite email or username. You will get the bonus from each referral, new contribution, but only for new money rule. Attention please, you don't have to invite new people to the system. Should you invite any, that's good. You will get even a referral bonus for that. If you do not, it is okay. You are free to participate without attracting new members. Number 3, guider bonus. Guiders of GreeMavro Global Community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus, so a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guiders bonus depend on each level in the community. Guider bonus structure is as follows. First level gets 2.5%. The first downline, your direct leg, you get 2.5%. Someone, the second level, which is someone that your downline referred, you get 3.5%. Then third level, subsidiary, you get 2%. Then fourth and fifth level, you get 1%. Frozen Mavro withdrawal. Participants get a difference of 10% of their frozen Mavro in MMM from the amount of the contribution they make to the community. Defraud is released 12 hours after contribution Mavro is confirmed. You will get the difference from each new contribution, but only for new money rule. This is the end of this video. Thank you very much. God bless GreeMavro Global Community. I'm expecting you all. We shall meet at the top. This is Emmanuel Agwo, like I said before. Thank you.